Hey you guys, I'm Lori Zabka, nutrition coach, fitness trainer, and busy working mama. So I have a recipe for y'all that's gonna tick all the boxes on a busy weeknight. It's easy, it's fast, it's delicious, and it's nutritious. This is my Life by Lori Z 25-minute taco skillet. And a quick tip for this or any recipe, before you even start cooking, get your veggies chopped. If you're using beans, have those drained, have your spices mixed, and it'll save you so much time in the cooking process. I have a tablespoon of avocado oil heated up. I'm gonna put a couple cloves of garlic in the skillet just to give it a good sizzle. And then I'm gonna add my veggies. So I chopped up a zucchini, a bell pepper, an onion, a carrot. But here's the thing, you can add any vegetables that you want. I'm always trying to help my clients find ways to add more vegetables to their diets. And a dish like this is a great way to do that. If you don't like zucchini, add something else. So you can add more or less than this, just make it your own. And I'm gonna give this a pinch of salt and pepper, and we're gonna cook these veggies for about 3 to 5 minutes. To my softened veggies, I'm gonna add a pound of ground turkey, and then all of my spices, which are, we have paprika, garlic powder, chili powder, salt, and pepper. So we're gonna sprinkle this all over the veggies and the meat, and of course, we're gonna cook that meat down until it's cooked through, no more pink, mix it all up together. All right, our meat is cooked through. We're gonna add our last 4 ingredients: a can of crushed tomatoes, a small can of diced green chilies, and a can of black beans. Again, you can just make this your own, do what your family likes. And last but not least, this makes me really happy, is the spinach. So this looks like a lot, but it cooks down. We're gonna cook all of this down for about 5 minutes, add a little more seasoning, taste to adjust, and you're done. How easy was that, you guys? It's done, look, ta-da, look. Oh my gosh, I wish you could smell it. It looks and smells so good. And while it's steaming, I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle some cheese on here because that will melt down. If you don't tolerate cheese, then don't add cheese. The really fun thing about this is you can serve it just like this, party style, for your family. Y'all can scoop it out with chips. You could scoop it out with chopped up bell peppers that kind of looks like a chip. You could create bowls with this. Serve it over rice, over cauliflower rice. It could be the topper for nachos. It could be served in tortillas. Anything goes. The point is that this meal, although it looks so fun like a party, it's full of nutrition. It's full of anti-inflammatory ingredients. It's full of healthy fat, fiber, protein, and phytonutrients from all of those vegetables. So additional toppings might be cilantro, lime juice, y'all, is really, really good. It really pulls out the other flavors in this. Guacamole, sour cream, just make it your own and enjoy it. I hope you try it, give it a shot. And for more wellness tips, visit me on the web at lifebyloryz.com.